Welcome to Ask Amy. I'm Amy Cadora. Can you explain how ion silver can inactivate bacteria in simple words, not in scientific terms? Okay, up for the challenge here. The antibacterial effect of silver is due to the silver ions that are released when silver is exposed to water. These ions are not very friendly to bacteria and will essentially attack it. And the silver ions attack the bacteria again in three ways. One, it works to break down the bacteria's life support system. Two, it starves the bacteria through inactivation of intracellular enzymes that actually digest the food. And three, it damages bacterium cells' DNA so that it cannot reproduce. Call it birth control. Does Norwex Microfibre work against mold? So silver is a known broad-spectrum antimicrobial agent which is active against really a host of microbes, including bacteria, mold, and mildew. Is the BacLock microfiber cloth clean enough to temporarily cover an open wound before tending to it? We don't make any types of medical claims like wound care with our microfiber with BacLock. The BacLock is designed solely to help self-purify the cloth within 24 hours. In this COVID-19 pandemic, does washing our body with our body cloth and water advisable? So most scientific groups have recommended soap and water as the most effective way to manage potential COVID virus on hands, and we certainly agree. And washing with a body and face cloth as well is a great way to get your whole body clean. Will the filtration of our Norwex Reusable Face Masks with BacLock be impacted by subsequent washes? One thing that we noticed with our Norwex face masks is that the microfiber material, which is actually our window cloth, can shrink a little bit during the wash and during drying. And this tells us that the fibers are tightening together even more after washing. So it's possible that the filtration is even better. This tightening of the fibers would not negatively impact the filtration. Why can't we use toner on our facial pads? It defeats the purpose of replacing cotton pad. So even with the mildest of toners, they may have ingredients that can compromise the quality of the microfiber. Microfiber in facial pads is really designed to be used again and again. And that concludes our Ask Amy episode. Thanks so much for joining us.